What up, guys? As you can see, shooting a quick little unboxing from the iPhone 13 right here. I'm using my MacBook Pro
Wait, is this going on YouTube?
M1. Yeah, it's going on YouTube, Dan.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so really love the continuity stuff, man. I really do. So this is just a little unboxing for this guy, little dock that I have because I've been having a lot of issues. I don't have issues when I use this dongle right here. This is kind of cool that I got from Apple. It seems to be the best one, Type C to USB, HDMI, and you have another Type C where you can do the power pass through here. I think you can do data also, but I've never tried it. So this works really well. What does not work really well is dongles that are third party. Like, for example, give me a sec. Sorry, guys. So, for example, something like this. This is a dongle from Q Game. I actually have another one from Q Game that works really fine, really well. This one does not. It doesn't want to recognize at all on the Mac. It works perfectly fine with tablets. I don't know if maybe it's just a like lower wattage or something like that. I don't know, but yeah, this one is hit or miss. So I wanted to get something that can just keep in place at home for my setup, and I got this guy. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. Cool thing about this, I did a little research first, and what I found was you can actually add an additional. Well, let's actually look at it. So again, no sponsorship. Purchased with my own hard-earned money. This is from Selore and S Global. USB-C docking station. This is really cool because it has a ton of ports. You got your audio jack, you have your Ethernet, RJ45 for us old heads, you have all SD card slots, USB 2.0, USB 3.0. You can also put a M2 SSD in this bad boy, so you can add additional storage, Type C, HDMI, VGA, USB C to host. You have a PD 3.0, so that's power 3.0. And here are like the specifications, if you will. You can actually. I'm not huge on explaining the specs because it gets kind of boring. But for those that want to know, go ahead and take a screenshot of that. You can see display ports, SSD enclosure, USB Type C ports, USB C ports, USB ports, SD, TF slots, Ethernet port, audio jack. This thing has everything. So let's go ahead and crack it open. Let's see what's inside. So I'm just going to show you guys what's inside really quick, but I'll do my thoughts and stuff like that on it after I use it for a week or so. I'm also going to get an M2 SSD to add some storage. So you got a user guide. Definitely read through that if you have any questions about anything. You can see it's kind of small, packaged very well. Very small, compact, guys. I love this kind of I guess this is kind of a gunmetal type of color. When you pop this open, you can put your additional storage. I wanted to show you that first because that is really cool. And it's not plastic again, guys. It's like definitely aluminum. Has all the slots marked, as you can see. Type C, very convenient, right in the front. SSD, headphone jack in the front, super convenient. Um, USBs, it's got your two HDMI's, two hosts, got your one and two. I mean, this thing is loaded, man. Yeah, so let's see what else we get in here. I don't think it came with power, but maybe it did. It came with its own power source. That would be super dope. Let me see what they give us here. Okay. Okay, so this is super dope. So as you know, the MacBook Pros, they come with the Type C, and this should plug directly into the side of that. If you need the double, here's a double from device to dock. If you need the single, there's another one, single. This is very nice. This is nice packaging, guys. So you get all of that inside of this bad boy. So yeah, just really quick. Not gonna go too far, too heavy on this. I'm gonna actually use it and get back to you guys, let you guys know what I think about it. You can see it's super small, super compact. I can't wait to test it out. Give me another drive for it, and yeah, this is it. Guys, don't forget to share, comment, subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one.